Hi guys, welcome to Warehouse. Today we are here for our summer festive edit. So what is a regular day at Warehouse? It's like total final exam vibes. That's what we do to ourselves every few months. I don't know, it's addictive I guess. So let me take you through my top favorites at the sale today. Come along. So now we've entered the ballroom area. This is where we have all our Cat A designers. Let's start with Rohit Bal and then go to Tarun Tahiliani, which are absolute favorites. Warehouse started because of them and it continues because of their support. So let's check them out. So Rohit Bal is an absolute favorite again for whether summer or winter. I would love to buy something like this. Even this Rani Pink, it's so pretty. We have Tarun Tahiliani, our main designer, and I've had my eye on them. It is so nice. This was initially for 89,900 and now it's for 27,000 guys. Please, it's beautiful. Look at the way it's constructed. It's stunning. Another absolute favorite of mine is Rohit Gandhi Rahul Khanna. I started my career with an internship with them. Their pieces are super fun and super nice. For people who are buying heavies like gowns and stuff, nobody does it better than them. I believe Rizima Basin has been quite a sellout today. I'm really into ivories and beiges. Riddhi Mehra has been an absolute favorite at Warehouse. All her ornamentation, embellishments, I love her stuff. One brand that I want to highlight for you guys is Kunal Rawat. He's doing the most incredible surface ornamentation. I tend to look a lot at surface ornamentation. It's more subtle. It's more like a part of the fabric. Who else is my pick? Gulabo by Abu Sandeep. Again, very easy print. Very nice for haldis, for pujas. This is a lehenga. Very easy breezy. Anushka Bajaj's silk is still full. Again, very nice things. Very nice pieces and very well priced. Let's go to Nitin Bal Chauhan. I love the surfacing that he's done here. It's really nice. You don't have to come to Warehouse just for Indian wear. You need stuff for the summer, right? Let's check out Hemant and Nandita. Really cute stuff. Nice stuff for the summer again. Nice jackets, nice dresses. Cute separates that you can put together and pair them differently and create a vibe. Something like this is also cute. So you have Myra Jaipur here. In fact, this is really the kind of stuff that I see myself buying for the season. And Preeti Jawar here has the most amazing Indian wear. If you want lighter pieces as a part of your trousseau or summer festivals once again. In fact, we have Preeti right here. Preeti, what was Warehouse mean to you?
I am a veteran here and it means everything to me.
And what do I mean to you?
Nice. Aww.
So that's it. These are my pick for Warehouse 24 for this summer festive edit. By the time you're seeing this would be over. We'll have the next one coming up in the second half of the year. The dates will be revealed. You must visit. You must check it out. It's great value. It's great products and fabulous designs and fabulous designers. So thank you so much for tuning in if you've been watching this. And lots of love and happy shopping. Thank you.